So I'm going to be teaching a class today on how to do a living permanent botanical arrangement, which is this. It's a log slice, and I put in a piece of foam on the base. I just actually put some nails in and then put some dry foam on there. Covered it with some moss, and then just gathered some natural elements from mushroom, this mushroom, sponge mushroom, to a living air plant. That's why it's called a living permanent botanical. If you didn't want to care for this at all, but have a touch of green in your house, when you didn't add the air plant, you'd never have to do anything to it. But now that you have an air plant in it, you just add some water, mist it once a week. It's got natural curly willow in there that's been cut. It won't dry. Lotus pods. This wood flower is actually made from a tapioca root, and it's hand carved. And this is just a artificial plant and some mosses. Just a fun piece. We're going to learn how to do this today. And people can take it home and enjoy.